Hello, welcome to American Baker in Germany. I'm Michelle, and today we are making my favorite recipe for blueberry muffins. Let's get started.
As always, we start out with our ingredients. We need 2 cups or 250 grams of flour, 1 cup or 200 grams of sugar, 1 teaspoon baking powder, 1 teaspoon baking soda, a dash of salt, 1 cup or 225 milliliters of buttermilk, half a cup or 125 grams of melted butter, half a tablespoon vanilla extract or 1.5 tablespoons vanilla sugar, 1 egg, 2 cups or 200 grams fresh or frozen blueberries. In a mixing bowl, combine flour, sugar, baking powder, baking soda, and salt, and mix them together. Then add the egg, melted butter, buttermilk, and vanilla. Mix with a spoon until batter is combined and contains a few small lumps. Finally, fold in your blueberries. I should probably say at this point that my recipe calls for twice the number of blueberries that most call for because I love lots of blueberries in my muffins, but if that's too much for you, feel free to reduce the amount of blueberries. Line your muffin tin with paper liners and spoon your batter into the pan, filling them about 2/3 of the way full. Bake these at 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 180 degrees Celsius for 15 to 20 minutes. These bake up soft and lovely. They brown some on the outside, but the inside is filled with blueberry goodness. I love it. This recipe makes about 18 muffins. I hope you enjoyed the recipe today. If you did, give me a thumbs up. And while you're down there, subscribe to my channel for more recipes and decorated cakes.